going on, guys? So I'm back home in Miami. Wanted to give y'all a better look at, you know, Opelika, the inner cities of Miami. That's where we at right now in Opelika. Give y'all a look at the stadium, you know what I mean? And how the inner cities look, man. It's the inner city of Miami right here. I know you see the beach and all of that. This the other side of the beach. Yeah, man. Got my tunes in my ear, so we listen to a little music right now. It's hot as all I know. I don't know what, but you know. Woo! Woo! Let's go, baby. Where we at? What is this? 27? Let me see. I don't know what road we on right now. The inner city Miami right here, baby. Call these the locks, aka Opelika. Coming up on I think it's Bunch Park. Triangle right here. State Road 9. Yeah. Triangle over there. Flip on the beat, man. I've been doing it. So far, so good, man. "22nd Ave, that's where we at. I'm gonna go up to 27th Ave to show y'all the Dolphin Stadium. Go by my old block, my high school, and then head to my grandma's house. Trying to give me some of this good air, boy. I'm sweating like a mug. Bunch Park. Yeah, man, it's the inner city right here. How I look. See, a lot of people, all they show y'all is the condos and stuff. You know what I mean? This the real inner Miami. Was gonna stop for that. I'm on a boost, so why would we do that? We can make it through that light. That's nothing. Stupid. This look the same, but over by the stadium is where it looked completely like, oh my god, they revamped it. I'm gonna show you, you'll see. If you see from this area right here, so over where I'm about to take you, you're gonna see like, okay, yeah, they revamped over here a lot. Tomato. We're gonna get up with them later. He a little sad chasing. .183rd. Then we're gonna go up to 27th. I'm gonna go by the stadium and then I'll turn around and show y'all a little bit of the block. Really weed away. Should be coming up to the library. Yep, public library right here. It's still called Miami-Dade. Yep, Miami-Dade North Regional Library. Came here many a time to do school projects. This was back when laptops wasn't even, you know what I mean, around. All right, now is where it's gonna start looking different. Chipotle, that Chipotle ain't never been there. City Hall. You don't come this way. Used to ride dirt bikes over there. They done built condos over there. Fuck it. Walmart. Let me take y'all by the stadium real quick. See how it look all different. It look new over here. All this is new. Everything. Alright, take y'all over here by the Miami Dolphins Stadium. It's the Dolphins Stadium. Hard Rock Stadium. Right here. Hard Rock Stadium. Clean, huh? It's big. And you would think I'm a Dolphin fan, but I am a Dolphin fan because they home team stadium right here. But Tampa Bay is my team, baby. But it's still home team though. I picked the Dolphins over any other team other than Tampa Bay. It's all about the U. Yes, yes. Hard Rock Stadium. Miami Gardens, baby, that's where we at now. We came from the locks to Miami Gardens. Turn around real quick. Go back. Next side where them thugs be. I'm sorry for them thugs be. Hey, when I land, take me to where the, yeah. I ain't never scared cause I'm heavy there and they love me. Hey, that's a real spill. Yeah, man, this is where I'm from right here. Just feel good riding the boots. Back at home where we always dreamed about having a motorcycle and learning how to, well, I knew how to ride dirt bikes, so I mean, ain't no learning. It's the same concept.